Around the world, entire categories of trucks exist that American drivers have never experienced. Diesel workhorses, high-torque utility machines, and rugged global legends built for deserts, mountains, and remote roads. These vehicles dominate markets across Europe, Asia, and South America. Yet for one reason or another, they never officially reached U.S. dealerships. 12. Toyota Hilux Global Diesel Versions. Rugged durability is the reason the Toyota Hilux became one of the most respected pickup trucks ever built. Across Africa, Australia, the Middle East, and Asia, diesel-powered Hilux models gained a reputation for surviving terrain and conditions that destroy ordinary trucks. Unlike many American pickups that prioritize size and comfort, the global Hilux focuses on reliability and efficiency. One of the most common engines used internationally is the 2.8-liter 1GDF-TV turbo diesel inline-4, producing 201 horsepower and an impressive 369 pound-feet of torque. The Hilux weighs roughly 4,850 pounds, depending on configuration. Even with that rugged construction, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 9.5 seconds. Flat out, the truck reaches a top speed of around 109 miles per hour, which is more than enough for long highway journeys. Where the Hilux truly shines is durability. The ladder frame chassis is designed to handle constant punishment, while its four-wheel drive system and locking differential allow it to tackle mud, sand, and rocky terrain with confidence. Because of this reliability, Hilux trucks are commonly used by miners, farmers, aid organizations, and military groups across the world. 11. Volkswagen Amarok V6 TDI. German engineering rarely enters the pickup truck world, but when Volkswagen introduced the Amarok V6 TDI, it proved that performance and refinement could exist in a mid-size work truck designed primarily for global markets such as Europe, Australia, and South America. The Amarok quickly gained attention for offering power levels that many pickups in its class simply couldn't match. At the center of the truck sits a 3-liter turbocharged V6 TDI diesel engine, producing 258 horsepower and a massive 428 pound-feet of torque. Some versions even feature an overboost function that briefly increases power for stronger acceleration. Despite a curb weight of roughly 4,900 pounds, the truck can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.3 seconds. Performance isn't the only advantage. The Amarok also benefits from Volkswagen's advanced engineering and refined road manners. The permanent all-wheel drive system and 8-speed automatic transmission deliver smooth power while maintaining strong off-road capability. This balance allows the truck to handle highways, construction sites, and rough terrain with equal confidence. Inside the cabin, the Amarok feels closer to a luxury SUV than a traditional work truck. Premium materials, supportive seats, and advanced infotainment systems make long journeys far more comfortable. Despite its impressive performance and refinement, the Amarok V6 TDI was never sold in the United States. Strict emissions rules and market differences kept this powerful diesel pickup away from American roads forever. 10. Nissan Navara NP300. Modern mid-size pickup trucks are expected to balance work capability with everyday comfort, and the Nissan Navara NP300 was designed to do exactly that. Built for markets across Europe, Asia, Australia, and the Middle East, the Navara NP300 became one of Nissan's most important global pickup trucks. Unlike older work-focused pickups, the NP300 introduced improved ride comfort and more refined engineering, while still maintaining serious durability. Under the hood, one of the most popular engine options worldwide is the 2.3-liter twin-turbo diesel inline-4, producing around 190 horsepower and approximately 332 pound-feet of torque. With a curb weight of roughly 4,700 pounds, the Nissan Navara NP300 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 10.2 seconds. Whether driving through sand, mud, or rocky trails, the truck maintains strong traction thanks to its locking differential and low-range gearing. Inside the cabin, the truck offers a surprisingly refined environment with touchscreen infotainment, comfortable seating, and modern driver assistance features. Despite its global popularity, diesel versions of the Navara NP300 were never officially sold in the United States. Another truck mixes SUV comfort with real pickup capability. 9. Mitsubishi Triton L200. Across global pickup markets, the Mitsubishi Triton, also known as the L200 in many regions, earned a reputation for balancing durability, off-road capability, and everyday practicality. Built for demanding environments across Asia, Europe, Australia, and Africa, the Triton became one of Mitsubishi's most important utility vehicles. Power typically comes from Mitsubishi's 2.4-liter MiVec turbo diesel inline-4 engine, producing 181 horsepower and approximately 317 pound-feet of torque. With a curb weight of about 4,650 pounds, the Mitsubishi Triton can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 10.5 seconds. The truck reaches a top speed of approximately 111 miles per hour, which is more than enough for long highway journeys. Where the Triton truly stands out is its off-road technology. Mitsubishi equips many versions with its advanced Super Select 4WD system, allowing drivers to switch between different driving modes depending on terrain conditions. This system helps the truck handle mud, sand, snow, and rocky trails while maintaining traction and stability. Inside the cabin, the Triton provides a surprisingly refined interior. Comfortable seating, touchscreen infotainment systems, and driver assistance features make the truck suitable for both work and everyday driving. International buyers continue to rely on the Triton as one of the toughest mid-size pickups ever built. Tell us in the comments which truck you wish America had. 8. Toyota Land Cruiser 79 Series Pickup. Legendary durability is the main reason the Toyota Land Cruiser 79 Series Pickup earned global respect. Built primarily for harsh environments such as deserts, mining regions, and remote work sites, this truck focuses on reliability and mechanical strength rather than luxury. Power comes from Toyota's dependable 4.5-liter twin-turbo V8 diesel engine, producing 202 horsepower and approximately 430 pound-feet of torque. While those figures may not sound extreme compared with modern performance trucks, the engine delivers massive low-end pulling power, ideal for heavy loads and rough terrain. With a curb weight of roughly 4,900 pounds, the Land Cruiser 79 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 10.8 seconds. The truck reaches a top speed of approximately 105 miles per hour, which is perfectly adequate for a vehicle designed primarily for durability and off-road strength. The truck's four-wheel drive system includes a low-range transfer case and locking differentials, allowing it to crawl through mud, sand, rocky trails, and steep mountain terrain. Heavy-duty suspension components and reinforced axles also allow the vehicle to carry significant payloads while maintaining stability on rough surfaces. Visually, the Land Cruiser 79 maintains the classic boxy styling that has defined the Land Cruiser family for decades. Straight body panels, tall ride height, and a large cargo bed give the truck a serious working appearance. Inside the cabin, the design remains simple and functional, with durable materials and easy-to-read controls. Because of its reputation for reliability, the Land Cruiser 79 is widely used by farmers, construction crews, and humanitarian organizations worldwide. 7. Fiat Toro. Brazil's pickup truck market inspired one of the most unusual modern utility vehicles, the Fiat Toro. Unlike traditional body-on-frame trucks, the Toro was designed as a unibody pickup that blends the comfort of an SUV with the practicality of a cargo bed. Instead of building another rugged work truck, Fiat focused on creating a vehicle that could handle daily driving, family duties, and light hauling without sacrificing comfort. Power in many global versions comes from a 2-liter multi-jet turbo diesel inline-4 engine, producing around 170 horsepower and approximately 258 pound-feet of torque. The diesel engine delivers strong torque at low RPM, making the Toro surprisingly capable for towing and carrying cargo. With a curb weight of about 3,900 pounds, the Fiat Toro accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 9.8 seconds. The pickup can reach a top speed of approximately 118 miles per hour, which is impressive for a compact utility truck. Because the Toro uses a unibody structure rather than a traditional truck frame, it drives much more like a crossover SUV. The suspension setup helps deliver a smoother ride on highways while still allowing the truck to handle dirt roads and light off-road trails. Visually, the Toro carries bold styling with a modern front grille, slim headlights, and muscular body lines. Inside the cabin, the truck offers a refined interior with touchscreen infotainment, comfortable seating, and modern driver assistance technology. Despite its innovative design and strong sales in South America, the Fiat Toro has never been offered in the United States market. One of these vehicles is used by military units and aid organizations worldwide. 6. Peugeot Landtrek. French manufacturers are rarely associated with pickup trucks, yet Peugeot entered the global truck market with a surprisingly capable Landtrek. Designed primarily for regions such as Africa, South America, and the Middle East, the Landtrek was built to combine durability with modern comfort. Unlike traditional European vehicles that focus mainly on urban driving, the Landtrek was engineered to handle demanding environments. Peugeot developed the truck with a reinforced ladder frame chassis designed to support heavy payloads and challenging off-road conditions. Power in diesel models comes from a 1.9-liter turbocharged diesel inline-four engine, producing 148 horsepower and approximately 258 pound-feet of torque. This engine focuses on efficiency and strong low-end torque, making it suitable for hauling cargo and traveling long distances across rough terrain. With a curb weight of about 4,600 pounds, the Peugeot Landtrek can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 11.2 seconds. The pickup reaches a top speed of approximately 106 miles per hour, which is more than sufficient for both highway travel and rural routes. The Landtrek is available with both rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive configurations. The four-wheel drive version includes low-range gearing, helping the truck tackle steep inclines, muddy trails, and rocky paths. One of the most interesting aspects of the Landtrek is its balance between work capability and interior comfort. Large touchscreen displays, smartphone connectivity, and multiple storage compartments make the interior surprisingly refined. Visually, the Landtrek features Peugeot's signature front grille and sharp headlight design, giving it a distinctive appearance compared with traditional trucks. 5. Toyota Tundra. Rarely do American-sized pickup trucks appear with diesel power from Japanese manufacturers. Yet Toyota once explored that exact idea with diesel-powered versions of the Tundra for certain international discussions and prototype markets. The proposed diesel setup was expected to use a 4.5-liter twin-turbo V8 diesel engine, similar to the unit used in the Land Cruiser lineup. That engine produces approximately 268 horsepower and a massive 479 pound-feet of torque, numbers designed more for pulling strength than high-speed performance. With a curb weight of around 5,700 pounds, a diesel-powered Tundra would accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 7.8 seconds, while reaching a top speed of about 112 miles per hour. Those figures highlight the advantage of diesel torque when moving a large full-size pickup. The real benefit of diesel power in a truck like the Tundra would be towing and long-distance durability. Visually, the Tundra maintains a bold American-style pickup design with large body proportions, wide fenders, and a commanding road presence. Inside the cabin, modern Tundra models offer advanced infotainment systems, spacious seating, and durable materials designed for long journeys. Despite clear advantages, Toyota never officially released a diesel Tundra for the U.S. market. Regulations, market trends, And development costs kept this powerful diesel pickup from reaching American roads permanently. Stay subscribed because the next list might surprise you even more. 4. Chevrolet Montana, new generation. Compact pickup trucks have recently gained popularity in global markets, and Chevrolet responded with the new generation Montana. Designed primarily for South America, this modern pickup blends the practicality of a truck